came to Húsavík this morning. This city is up on the north, and we will go for a whale watching with a company, which is a family company. 3 generations working together, sometimes on the ship also. And you can see the harbor behind me. One of those ships will bring us to the sea to see some whales, which will be awesome. I mentioned the smell before on the geothermal field, like 100-day egg or something. Well, this is not so big surprise, but you can smell it strongly for sure, the fish in the harbor. I can't say if it's good. This was the second time for me on this whale watching. Last year I tried already. Was good last year also, but this time it was very, very nice. We were very lucky about the weather. The sea was completely flat, and you saw how many things we saw. So awesome. Now we will stay at the Animal Way, and we go to a place where we will try to find some puffins. Wish luck to us. Find a great place to see some birds, but unfortunately there are lots of seagulls and only few puffins, and they are also a bit far away to show them good enough, but I hope you saw something. And from here we go to check some waterfalls and the longest river of Iceland. Before the waterfalls we came to the canyon Ásbyrgi. We go close to the wall now. There will be a small beautiful lake, and after we will go up to the wall a little bit to see the size of the canyon, and then we go to the waterfalls. Hafragilsfoss. That's it. The rest I will show. We are at Dettifoss, and the weather started to be Icelandic. The water comes from every direction, so I am not sure what kind of footages I can make there, but I will try to do my best. Please close the shower. This is the closest I could go. I could come or something. I won't repeat myself again and again and again. You know. Dettifoss was our last thing to see today. There is nothing left for today, only to travel to Egilsstaðir, where our hotel or hostel will be for tonight. Oh, I got some water. Oh, and my camera too. So, and hopefully we will get our baggages tonight finally. So we will make a party with the drinks we have in the bags. So I think we meet again only tomorrow, which will be our next episode. Bye bye.